It's finished Chelsea 0, Nottingham Forest 1. Familiar failings for Chelsea once again. A lot of good chances created, a lot of good opportunities and good positions taken. But when the moment comes to make that decisive pass, to make that decisive shot, they fall short every single time. And it's a problem, and it's a problem that they can't solve in the transfer window now. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know how they're going to fix it, but it's going to impact their season very, very much so, because they scored 3 against Luton, but just don't look like scoring goals otherwise. And today Nottingham Forest just completely frustrated them. It was a good goal from them as well. I mean, a pass from Awoniyi. I mean, Gallagher and Enzo Fernandez, not sure what they are trying to do there, but it's a great pass through to Elanga, who scores his first goal for Nottingham Forest. Obviously a soft start for him as the next Manchester United guy, but a good goal for him, and hopefully he'll get more starts now going forward, particularly with all the injuries. But the real concern is Chelsea. So let's see what happens. Share your thoughts, smash a like, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.